making another video. I got it running, got the motor put in, putting the thing in water, see what it'll do. Took water pump out because it's definitely not needed anymore, not for an air-cooled engine. I got a little muffler put on it so it's not really loud, because it is. And yes, I have to use the pull start. The battery, the starter on the motor isn't powerful enough to turn the motor over while it's hooked to that. Take it out of gear. Alright. Oh, everything's working. Just have to. Yeah, I wonder. This gas tank's meant to feed a V8 engine. Wonder how long this will last on that full tank of gas that I got in this thing. It's probably not used much at all. Waiting for that tote to fill up right now. The hardest part's gonna be wiring and then getting a throttle cable to go to that thing, but I ain't really worried about that right now until I get it all situated. Well, that's actually I am worried about that right now. I gotta get that done. Thing's almost full. You know I had to do it. I do it every damn video. That's all the shit that was in here. I did get it cleaned out though. The jumper cables and stuff, oh well. Alright, video starting it, and then it's sending water everywhere. Start. Choke on. Okay, just pause it until I get it running. So I'd say it works pretty good. For a 3-minute video, I didn't do too bad. I can't wait to see what it looks like when I've never turned the blades on when I was out of the boat. I wonder what it looks like when I'm in the boat. Or when I'm out of the boat. You know what I mean. Alright, till next time, it's been Dom's Projects.